Guys, guess what? My mom and I bought a bird. Well, we bought two birds, but I'm here to show you. Here's my birdie. Say hi, birdie. Okay. He's very shy, but this bird, we cannot talk to him because he will fly away, and he is very rude. Trust me, you don't want to mess with him. But here we have this cutie. She doesn't love me yet because she doesn't know me. But I'm very happy because remember, baby, the man who got him went back to this country and stole him from us. Now that's all for today. Bye, and remember.